So, you've decided to do robotics, huh? Well, you have no idea what you've got yourself into.
As a first alumni, I miss first. I learned a lot and had a lot of fun. You will too.
Really? I'm interested.
Let us show you how it's done. Hey guys, I'm Noah, and I'm this year's head outreach for Team 24759, Techno Tumbleweeds.
Huh? 24759? What do those numbers even mean?
Every FTC team is assigned a number. It's how you're identified in the first community.
Did you know that over 10 plus teams are called the circuit breakers in first?
Wowie zowie. That's a lot of broken circuits!
While there are multiple teams with the same name, we know which team is which based on the team's number.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Hey, I'm Capria, and I graduated.
Then why are you still here?
Capri is what we like to call a mentor. She is here to teach new members her wisdom of first.
One thing new teams should especially look into is if there are any first alumni in their community they can connect with.
Oh, I think I get it. It must be helpful to get advice from those who have experienced first for themselves already.
Now you got it.
Hi, I'm Peyton. I'm new. I don't know a whole lot yet, but I know this will be awesome.
You know it. Got any questions for us, newbie?
Actually, I have a lot.
Ask away. That's what we're here for.
Well, first, what is FTC?
FTC is a STEM robotics program for students in grades 7 through 12 where teams create, construct, and code robots to compete in collaborative head-to-head matches.
Oh, I see. It's like sports for nerds.
Hey, at least call us intellectuals.
Okay. On to my next question. Who is on my team? I'd love to meet them.
Well, on the hardware team, there's Wyatt and Isaac. And on the software team, there's Hunter, Hudson, and Landon.
Whoa, times 3. Time out. What is hardware, software, and outreach?
An FTC is usually divided into 3 sub-teams: hardware, software, and outreach.
Team members don't need to fit into one category. They can be jack of all trades if they want.
The hardware team is the team that focuses on designing and building the robot using actual machinery, while the software team is the team that focuses on writing and testing the codes needed for the robot to work.
But what about us, though?
The outreach team's primary task is to bring interest into the first community. They plan events, communicate with experts, and educate anyone wanting to learn about robotics.
Wait a minute. Is this considered an outreach opportunity then?
Yep, that is the whole reason for this series.
Speaking of series, what are we going to learn in this one?
Well, first we're going to learn about outreach, then we'll move on to more technical things like hardware and software.
Finally, we'll give you some tips and tricks we've learned over the years.
Well, this sounds awesome. I've already learned so much.
That's Gucci Smoochy!
Tune in to the next video to learn more about FTC with the Techno Tumbleweeds!